Hi guys, welcome. Today I thought I'd take you along while I do some thrifting. I don't actually know if I'm going to purchase anything. I think my friend Sandra, who's with me, you might know her from the Schwammen's Nest, she might buy something, but I'm not sure that I will. But I wanted to take you along because this place is so neat and I wanted to share that with you. I'm shaking the camera here, and kind of take you and show you all the different things that they have in there. I think it's mostly furniture, is it? But we'll see what else they have. Take you along, show you, and then I'll show you if we buy anything and how much we paid and all that stuff. So come along. So my friend Sandra found this place, and it's not too far from where we live, but neither one of us even knew it existed, and he is closing it up in May. This was full of such unique furniture. It was mostly furniture, few odds and ends. Like you can see, there were Christmas items, lots of different actual farmhouse animal signs, lots of wagon wheels. I did love this red truck that he had. I just did not know what to do with it. And there were just really lots of neat things in here. I did find a crock that I've been looking for, but that one was a touch too big than what I need. So we took our time and went through everything, looked at everything. I was in search of a couple items. Mostly I was looking for a pedestal table, which I did find, although I wasn't quite impressed with the price that he wanted for it because it did need a lot of work. So I did pass on it, but I will show you at the end an item that I did pick up. And I will also show you an item that my friend picked up.
Not long ago you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out. I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. Deep down I know you're strong. Give them hell, baby, prove them wrong. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know you only see the rain, not the rainbow. I know you'll get up again. Better stand up tall, I know you can be brave, brave, brave. I know you can be.
This is the pedestal table that I was thinking about getting, but like I said, it was quite wobbly, and I just did not want to pay the money. Maybe it was worth whatever he was saying it was, but for me, it was just a little too much.
Brave, brave, brave.
So then we came up on some of these Hutches, and this is Hutch is what my friend Sandra was here for to begin with. I did not expect to buy one because we are doing a huge renovation and I do not have a lot of space where to put one, but I could not pass up on one of them. This is the one that my friend Sandra picked up. I just love it. I love the shape of it. She was very excited to pick this one up, and I can't wait to see what she'll do with it, whether she'll paint it or whether she'll stain it or leave it as is. I'm sure whatever she does, it's going to be absolutely stunning. So this is next day, and I'm back home now, and I had picked up that Hutch that I was showing you. I can for $100, it says right here, and I can't wait to restyle it. We're gonna be doing some renos in my house, so I'm going to replace the current Hutch that I have with this. I hope it works. If not, I can always sell it if it doesn't, but I'm looking forward to that. I think I'm gonna paint it a darker color, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm sure I'll share that with you guys. And also I did stop at, ouch, Duke, you're standing on my foot, at Dollarama. So let me just show you what I picked up there. Might as well do a 2-for-1 of hauls. So I got these modern shapes, 30 pieces for $2. They're I picked them up for the hard one, for the hearts, and then I picked up the wicker hearts, 4 of them for $2 in white, and then they had the same ones in like the natural color, and I thought this was nice. And then I also picked up this heart because I'm for sure gonna be upcycling that, like redoing it. And then I also picked up this, and I love the shape of this, so I will be doing something different with this one as well. And also picked up these because I think these wood planks are great to make little signs for tier trays. And then I also picked up the rectangular ones as well. And these were all $2, both of them. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed for more DIY and DIY haul type of videos and shop with me. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
I know it did you wrong, wish I could take your pain away, 'cause I hate seeing tears streaming down your face. I know you're strong,